my people, I welcome all of you once again to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, consider subscribing because I always deliver my best to you. Yes, in this video I'm going to walk you through top 5 setup planning every trader is supposed to put in place. Yes, very important, my people. The first setup you must consider before placing your trades is what? Know the pair you are supposed to trade. Yes, it's very important, my people. The pair you are supposed to trade is a must. You cannot just wake up and then start trading anything that comes in your mind. No, it doesn't happen like that. You must know the commodity, the energy, indices, currency pair that you want to trade. Yes, after knowing the instrument that you want to trade, that brings us to the next point that has to do with the strategy that you intend using. Yes, we have strategies for bullish markets, bearish markets, and then accumulation markets. Yes, strategies that work for bullish markets is different from bearish markets. It's like that. So that is why it is very important to know the pair you intend trading, so that you go to that pair's market to see whether that market is trending upward or downward or accumulating. Have you seen? That will guide you to know the strategies that you will deploy to trade the markets. Yes. So our third setup plans you must put in place is what? You know the various time frames you are working on. Don't forget, we analyze on the bigger time frames and then enter trades on the smaller time frames. Some traders enter trades on 50 minutes time frame, others 5 minutes, some 1 minute. It's personal. Yeah. And then the next point, which is the fourth setup planning you must consider when trading is what? You must know the available trading capital you have. That will guide you to know how many pips you use for your stop loss, how many positions you take per trade, and so many more. Unlike cars, before drivers move car, before a driver moves car, the first thing he has to do is what? To check the engine healthiness, fuel gauge, tire pressure, brake accuracy, and so many more. The same thing applies in forex trading. There's no way you can trade without trading capital. Therefore, it is always mandatory to know your trading capital. Very important, my people. And then that brings us to our last point, which is the fifth point. Yes, you must know your daily profit target. Yes, in this market, it is always appropriate to set daily target for yourself, being $10, $20, $50, depending on your trading capital. Your daily target will definitely be different from another trader because we don't use the same trading capital to trade. Yes, so you having daily targets for yourself, you'll be able to be successful in this market. Yes, very important. So my people, these are the top 5 setup plannings every trader is supposed to have in their arsenals. Yes, the first one has to do with the pair you trade, strategies that you deploy, your time frames that you work on, your available trading capital, and then your daily target. Yes, on this note, I would like to sign out here. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye.